parts. Even though I have a
Dada no mama, a girlfriend yam, don't yam.
Like English, it pulls out.
Yeah, it
does. It polishes the words.
That's how I feel every time when I have to tell a guy I'm transgender. Greetings everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Remember to subscribe below and hit that notification bell to receive any notifications from the video I may post every week. So today we are going to talk about transgender dating. So it's dating 101 essentially. So before we start with the video, I just want to apologize for not being consistent on YouTube, for not uploading almost close to a month, but your girl is not a social media person. Like I went MIA even on Facebook, Instagram, even on WhatsApp, and my family were complaining about that, even my friends. So but nonetheless, I am actually back, and thank you so much for having me. You might be wondering who I have here. This is Madi, and she's gonna introduce herself more. Yes. I was just looking forward.
Hello. Okay guys, my name is Madidi Malo, aka White Panther. You know, I'm your cousin, guys. Your favorite cousin. I mean,
tell me that.
Look at me.
Yes.
Oh, look at us.
Yes.
You know, look at us. So guys, today
you're taking over the channel.
I was taking over.
You're taking over. Hey guys, today we're gonna talk about dating, and for the most part we're gonna talk about, you know, when things are serious. Does he need to introduce you to his family as a trans person? Does he need to disclose your gender identity if you, let's say you are a trans girl, or maybe if you are dating a trans man, do you feel like you should actually introduce your man as a trans man to your family? How important is it to tell your family, okay, mutu o get transgender? And I feel like people don't understand. I think we know, as black community, as black we like to simplify things. It's gonna get to the point where your mother or your father is gonna be like, okay, I hear you. Transgender. You need to simplify, or they would just want to know what does your girlfriend have. So you need to tell them, Dada no mama, a girlfriend yam, don't yam, people. You understand?
No. It sounds horrible.
It will come to that. You know, like how parents.
No. If you're going to shell at me, guys, don't say that. No. Like, guys, like, you know, like, it depends on the situation.
Yeah, it
on
depends
how
on,
you feel comfortable.
Yeah.
Because like it won't come to that time, because you're still going to talk to your partner, babe. Thank you, darling. Like you're still going to talk to your partner, babe. I want you to introduce me to your family, or babe, I want to introduce you to my family. So, babe, it's my first time. So how do I go about it? So, babe, this is how you do it. Like you just tell your family. And I have to be there because I want to see the reaction. I want to see how they take it. I want to defend myself. You know, you can't go there alone and after you come back and trick me. No, not sorry. That's not how we do it. No. So this is how you're gonna go about, for my own opinion, for my own opinion actually. So this is how you will do it. Like you just tell them, mama, like I have a girlfriend, but she's a transgender woman. She's nonetheless of other women. They will ask you the question, what is a transgender woman? Okay, a transgender woman is you have to simplify it, right, for the mother to understand, because
it's gonna get down to the point, okay, how is that possible? Because remember, our parents come from that early age where if a boy has a penis, that is
it.
Yeah. And then a girl,
boy must be a boy, a girl must be a girl.
That's how it is.
Yeah. So I don't know how we'll put it, but
now I feel like, you know what I feel? Like, I think he has to say, my girlfriend has both penis and vagina.
Yeah, no, I think I'll feel comfortable with that.
Yeah, and then if vagina apart, and then pillars apart.
Yeah. Oh no, like you just have to say like she has both private parts. Like they'll be like, so okay, like they will understand if you want them to understand. They will understand. Like if ever you say like she has both private parts. Even though I have a pussy, even though I have a pussy, guys.
Yeah. Okay, or you can actually tell them, my girlfriend has a pussy dick. Still
Sounds horrible. Cause like when you go to your parents, like you have to be in your language. Can you imagine that in your language?
Oh yeah. But that's what okay, I think we have to come to a conclusion. Okay, telling your parents it's a simple way, maybe.
Yeah, I think it's a simple way.
If they don't even
like
know.
Our language, like it's English, it pulls us.
Yeah,
it polishes the words.
That's how I feel every time when I have to tell a guy I'm transgender. I feel like if I'm saying it in an English term,
like the guy,
so
like
nice.
it's
not even gonna tell exactly what's going on.
Hey, cause each and every time you tell a guy I'm a transgender, the guy will be like, can you please explain more? You know, that's where like he gets the picture, and for him to get the picture, he'll still ask another question like, do you have this? Do you do? So, are you a receiver or a giver? Like, you know.
Yeah.
Same applies to your parents. Like, they're still going to ask that kind of a question
eventually. So, I just, you know, I think because now I'm that person, I'm very harsh. Like, when it comes to truth, I don't want it to be anything than what it is.
I just want to say it like it is.
Sometimes I feel like that. Well, if you don't understand what I'm talking about.
Oh.
Yeah, and I since now, like darling said, so you know it happened to me a lot. You understand? And so I was at a point where I'm like, okay, you know, just out with it, it's fine. But now it's gonna just create another picture as well, or yeah, and it's very harsh, I think. But it is what it is at the end of the day, I think.
Yeah, it is what it is. So back to the topic, guys. Yeah. Like the topic was like, do you think is it possible? Like, do you think do you feel the need for your boyfriend
to disclose your gender identity to your parents? Well, we need to be serious now. Like, well, first off, if you and I are in a serious relationship where everything has actually served, it's usually time for, you know, maybe we went from, you know, like boyfriend and girlfriend, like
the ups and downs,
yeah, or like and then it came down to boyfriend and girlfriend, and then fiance, we got engaged, and then now we married. We have to we at that point where we want to get married, and then I would feel like the reason why, I think it needs to have reasons. I think I need to assure him, you know what, look, I won't feel comfortable or welcomed in your family if they don't know certain information about me. And
but sometimes, like, I feel like we also harsh on ourselves, because I don't feel like it's anybody's business as long as your man loves you for who you are. Because I feel like even when it comes to cisgender who can't get pregnant, it's also an issue, because they'll be like, my son, go and find another woman, go and find another, this one, no, I got meaty, you know.
That's what the person, I went on social media actually, so that's what that person was actually saying, Uti, it's not everyone else's business.
Yeah.
So but now, guys, I'm not saying Uti, they should, it's a coerce, like they coerce to do that, it's a must. No, look at the situation. If your parents are very close-minded, or open-minded, or they always support you.
Like even for us as T-girls, like we also have to put ourselves in your partner's shoes.
Yeah,
because we don't want to. You can lose anything, but your parents, like it's a big step.
Story,
It's a different story
because they have more to lose, I think.
Yeah.
Most of the time. And you know, Levin Cox once said, men who date trans women are more stigmatized than actual transgender women. You know, guys who are dating us, they are more criticized than who we are.
Yeah.
Than already we are. They are more criticized than already.
Because like for other reasons, like these guys, like they've been fuck boys maybe for 8 years, 9 years, 20 years, whatever.
Hey.
And after to settle down with the transgender, like for the exes, they celebrate, the balloons, but
and it's sort of like demeaning their
it's not like not the case, because dating a transgender, I don't see you as a gay person, because a man who's dating a transgender, I see them as straight, because when you might meet me without not even knowing what kind of a person I am, meaning you saw a woman, it means you saw a woman
and you are attracted to female secondary characteristics, which makes you a straight person.
Because even like there are some guys who are open-minded, after even you told him more, you know what, I'm a trans, they'll be like, you know what, I've never dated a transgender, for me it will be a challenge, so do not mind my behavior. Sometimes like this, it's a new thing, you understand? So you can't always go around like meeting people who are experienced, meeting people who are like, no,
you can't. So it needs to take time. And as this person on actually, so I don't even know how to call his name, but he did actually give me a response, and which was I found it very interesting, and shout out to him if he's watching. And yeah, that's about it. So dating for us is very tricky, and but with time and understanding it will get better. And of course, I feel like if the right person is for me, they will find their way to actually be in my life no matter what. So me being trans, or people knowing that I'm trans,
I think for us, like in South Africa, for people to not know transgender, like, and not to know what to say and how to approach us, I feel like we are more beautiful than other countries. Because in other countries, if ever, like, you might see, like, they use surgery, they go to doctors more than we do.
Yeah,
they go to like they make feminine facials. Yeah, they make
and guys, sorry, we're not actually
we're not criticizing anyone. Like, we're just saying, like, for us, like, it's kinda people, like, it's kinda we're giving out less information, cause even on television, like in our television platform in South Africa, we didn't have that part where we have just a normal transgender person without going on hormones and whatever. So for us, like, we go in a strict society, our traditions, our,
which is true.
Being black.
Uzoyivala indaba sisi kodwa hambe luke entabeni, hambe kweluka wena uzotshintsha uphela yonke lento yakho uye entabeni, hamba uyoluka indoda, otherwise andikufuna apha kwami, hamba uyosifunela lapho uzohlala khona apho uzokwamkela into yi basixelela njalo, guys. That's what we go through. So yeah, I think that's where I would like to end it. Last few words for dating for trans folks who are very young, who are still discovering themselves, or who are still trying to know who they are, like, quickly.
Surround yourself with positivity.
That's all you have to say. That is it for today's video. I'll catch you guys next time. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys later, because I'm experiencing like a technical problem with my camera. It keeps cutting us out, and I'm sorry about the lighting coming like, yo guys, it was a lot, but nonetheless we did enjoy it ourselves. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, I love you so much. Mwah.